After WWDC, the most common topic is about Apple's new design language, Liquid Glass. While it does look good on paper, I think the attention is at the wrong place. I think Apple should have focused more on stability just because, one, we are getting a lot more reports of buggy software. If you look on YouTube, you're probably going to find an entire playlist of videos of people complaining. While this is normal in software development, for a company like Apple, they have to actually focus more on that than aesthetics. The reason being is because more people are holding on to older devices. And as you add new features and do redesigns, then you would have to worry about those older devices being kept up to date. And on that topic, we've also noticed that iOS upgrades have been slow in terms of how many people would actually update on day one or the first quarter after a new iOS version is released. And when you add a redesign, you would notice that a lot of existing features tend to be broken. And I'm pretty sure you all have experienced that in one way or another with some of the apps you've been using. iOS 26 doing this whole liquid glass thing, I just have a feeling that a lot of Apple's core apps are going to be buggy when this thing releases in September. I'm talking about more serious bugs, and that's just because, one, we have such a small timeline for the Apple QA testers to test this until September, and they have a ton of different devices to test on. Apple loves supporting older products, which is good. I'm not complaining about that. I'm just saying that with those older devices, those devices would need a lot more attention because they do not have the latest chips. So let me know what you think. Do you think that this liquid glass thing is just all these tech YouTubers glazing Apple? Are you worried about your phone becoming more buggy when you upgrade to iOS 26? Let me know in the comments. I want to thank all of you for watching, and until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.